What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to DC Unplugged, and today we're unboxing the new Dragon Slayer. So let's grab out our old knife, open this box up, see how it's packaged, do some assembly, and so you guys that have just bought your Slayer as well can follow along with this video and basically help you put it together. So roll that intro, let's get into it. Alright, so they look like they've done quite a good job of packing it, which is great. So we'll just get straight into it, open him up. No, I haven't pre-gone into this at all. This is the first time for me seeing inside the box as well. Alright. Yeah, nice. Okay, sweet. Place that there. Give you guys a bit of a look. Alright, so straight off the back, guys, we got what we can see is charger brick. What have we got in here? Yep, so we've got our instructions, some keys to put it together, some Allen keys. Bars are nicely placed in there as well. Ooh, see some blue bits, nice. Headlight, yeah, cool. Looks very well packaged in there, man. I like it. Definitely lots of space between the scooter so it doesn't get damaged, which is good. All right, let's get this box down on the ground and pull it out. Foam pieces out. Put the charger brick over here. So we're definitely gonna need that. Give it first a full charge. All right, so handlebars out. Okay. All right, it's gonna have to come. It's gonna have to come out with it. All right. Sweet. Oh, that blue's looking cool. All right, let's get rid of this box. All right, so take all this off. Cool. See if I can do it all in one good sweep. Careful of our screen there. Over the headlight. Alrighty, so what we might do is unleave that. Definitely going to need those Allen keys that they supplied us in this little bag. We'll take this cap off first because we'll definitely need that off to put the bars onto. There's our handlebars there. Cool. All right. Cool, so a little latch there. All right, sweet. Now, I'm assuming they lock in, so. Yeah, nice. I like a stem that's nice and stiff. All right, kickstand down, hold itself up. Definitely everything is well lubricated. Alright, cool. Sweet. Get those untangled so they can sit on there nicely. Just like a normal handlebar, I guess. We'll tighten this little quick release down. Nice. Cool. Just like a BMX bike, you got the little cap on the top, Allen key, you just put him in there, tighten him down, that stops the bars from popping off the collar up here. Loosen that off again, raise him up a bit, that seems about right. For me anyway, give it a nice little tighten because we obviously don't want that to move when we're riding, so I'll tell you what. Tighten him down. Cool. Feels quite nice. I actually don't mind where those handlebars, those levers are placed already. So, as like all things you should do, guys, never actually ride the scooter even though you feel like it might be together. it's always best to go through all your nuts and bolts, including handlebars, on the side here as well. Everything, just give everything just a check over, just to make sure it's all good, because you really don't want any of this to come loose while you're riding, because that would really suck. Pretty much just going to quickly go through all this and tighten it down. I'll bring his movies over here so you can have a better look at what I'm doing. Alright, do apologise guys in advance if you do hear a fan noise. It's really hot here. So hot actually. So I've got that pretty well set up and straight. Just using the Allen keys that have been supplied with this, and they don't seem too bad. So you just want to tighten these 2 pinch bolts on either side. That'll keep the stem nice and straight so these don't twist and go about the place. So if you do find that it seems like you have to be like that to go straight, these 2 pinch bolts just need to be loosened off, and you just need to center it with the wheels. So nice and simple. Tighten all that down. We go over these bars as well, make sure these are all nice and tight. Give them a little nip if they do, which they did. Good thing we're checking. There are 4 of them, so make sure you check all 4. Just give them a little nip. Beauty. Alright, now next is our screen. Might check our screen placement, but for me, I think I'm going to like it about there, just because of my height. I think it's the same one. Nope, definitely not. Yep, so it's a little bit smaller, which is alright. Give it a nice little tighten up, either side. We've got a front and a back one. And I'll just clamp it down to the bars. And the trick with these is to stop them from damaging any of these brackets and stuff, is they'll leave them a little bit, just a tiny bit loose, so they're enough just to move back and forth. But if you crash, you don't actually snap your screen or anything like that. So it actually gives it a little bit of give, but not enough while you're riding to be able to move. So there's a little trick of the trade. Have been caught out for that one once before, so obviously not horrendously loose, but just enough if you give it a hit, it's going to move like that. So, and just do the other side accordingly. Well, there you go guys, it's actually quite a fairly easy SOOOO to set up, which is good. Loving the blue accents. What we might do is we might wheel this out of this room, maybe get it outside, and we'll start it up for the first time or something like that, maybe get some nice cool shots of it. But I think I actually might turn the screen on here because it's a little bit dark outside. It is quite bright. As I explained before, it's really hot outside. But yeah, of course, always check your tire pressures before you leave too. All right, let's get a close up of that first screen startup, shall we? First things first, guys, let's go for it. Leave the protector on there. Let's go for first startup. Hold the power button on. Hey, that's pretty cool. That is very cool. Nice little display there.